Hey, you're watching T4.
Yeah, you losers, you make me sick.
Alexa.
Yes, what?
Don't you ever get, like, tired of, trying to be cool all the time and saying that everything's shit?
Yeah.
Me too.
So lame.
Here's the latest episode of Scrubs.
Scrubs, that rubbish hospital comedy thing?
Yeah, we're actually about to show it. Can you believe that?
Man, oh man, somebody just kill me.
Killing people, that's so gay. But isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Oh, God. I just don't know what to do anymore.
Relax, I do. Because my boyfriend is in the Arctic Monkeys.